Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's Instagram tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the add yours effect or sticker on Instagram. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also consider hitting the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So now you can see so many people using this add your sticker, and let me show you how you can do that. It's very trending right now. So you'll go to Instagram and then you will swipe left and open up a story, and then you will take a photo first. So you can either upload a photo or just take a photo. I took a photo, and let me just color the background. So I did that, and what you'll do is click on the sticker option right beside this text option. So you click on the sticker button. So if you go to stickers, you have this add your sticker right over here. So you click on add yours, and so you write a prompt. So you can say show me how your day was, and you can also have it with a photo in the background. So I'm just going to add it like this, and once you do the sticker, you can see who has responded or added photos to your sticker. Click on add to your story. And so let me show you if someone adds this sticker, uses this prompt or uses this feature, how you can see it. So let me do that. So now if I swipe it up, you can see the responses over here. So you can see somebody has used this sticker and now added a new photo to it. So this way you'll see many different stickers over here, and that's how you use the sticker. So I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.